Welcome to Soil3 Raised Garden Kit. What's included in your kit will be one big yellow bag of Soil3 compost and also 2 100-gallon root pouches. So the first thing that you would need to do is pick a location, and you want a location that is sunny and also level. And you want it level because you don't want your pouches to have a slant to them or just not sit properly. And then you want to prepare the area. And when you prepare the area, you're going to clear all vegetation and you're going to lay either pavers or gravel. And that's to make sure that it can drain properly. Okay, so now it's time to fill your root pouches with Soil3 compost. First, you're going to open the bag and make sure that the seam and the tag is at the back of the bag. And then you're going to fill around the edges of the bottom of the bag. So once you fill all around the edges, what you're going to do is straighten out your root pouch and make sure there's no creases along the sides or at the bottom. As you fill your root pouch, you want to make sure that you're filling it in layers and also straighten it as you go. By straightening it, it will help with bumps, bulges, or any air that's inside. So we're leveling it off, just like that. Make sure you fill your pouch all the way to the top. The soil will eventually settle. And now you're ready to plant. Now, my friends, it's time to plant in your rich Soil3 compost. When choosing plants, please think about the size that the plant will be, like this tomato plant. It will grow a lot larger. You can choose from vegetables to plants, flowers, or you can mix them all. After you plant, make sure you mulch to keep the moisture inside of the root pouch. And don't forget to water once you plant everything down.